Welcome to the Quitinday Greenhills in Camalig, Albay in the Bicol region of the Philippines. These hills show some resemblance to the chocolate hills that are in Bohol, which is why the Quitinday hills are often referred to as Bicol's version of the chocolate hills, except at Quitinday you get the added view of Mayon Volcano. This was my first time coming here, and after researching places in Albay to go, this stood out to me as somewhere where I felt I needed to visit. After a short journey from where we were staying in Legazpi City, we had our first glimpse of the Greenhills before arriving at the entrance. I hope you enjoy this video.
May space ba?
Yeah, may kasha.
May space ko. Doon nga may lirilim ko yun.
So nandito na kami sa Greenhills. It's Bicol's version of the chocolate hills in Bohol. So we have a 7-minute walk until we get to the viewpoint, which doesn't sound like a lot, pero pag sobrang init, pag ganito, syempre mahirap. Pero tingnan natin. Start the ascent up. Dinala ko din ang drone. Forward to this view. Tired already. So you can already see it's one of the hills, Madami Ganyan. It's the 40 peso entrance fee to come here. But I don't know if that was supposed to be a tourist fee, but I hid. And then they all paid first. Para wala. Oh, init. Look at this, ang ganda. Ayun. Back at this is the top now. Viewpoint. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Pagod. View deck. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at this. This is hands down the most stunning place I've ever been in my entire life. And I mean that. I don't just say things like that for the sake of it. Genuinely. Look at that backdrop. It does not get any better than that. Wow. Malapit na sa view deck. I don't know where the others are. Oh. And this is it, the view deck. I'll do a 360. Wow. Albay province. Siyempre, Mayon. Ganda. Medyo presko din. Parang mainit pa rin. Sobra. Ay nako. stunning, isn't it? And that just makes it. So in a way, halos parehas sa Bohol. Pero sa tingin ko, baka mas maganda dito. Kasi merong Mayon. Ganda!
Bara na lang oh. May kutsara dyan oh.
Kain kami ng ice cream. Hello, Theo.
Dukit ka mo oh. Oh, may kutsara. Kutsara daw sa ulan na.
Presko!
Iyo, pero pero ang kita magsikiyan baga sa sikiyan dahil man adult. Dahil barangaan, kamukit sa kasinunay tayo kamo para balanse.
Galing doon. Presko din. Bababa kami. Go back to the car, and I'm sure we've got more stuff planned here in Albay. Yeah, tara! It's quite steep going down. Kailangan mag-ingat talaga. Yeah, doon. My finger. Bababa sila. Let's go! Tara! Sobrang maganda! Yeah, pag nasa Albay kayo, pumunta kayo dito. So good. 40 pesos lang. Here we go. Alin? Tingnan natin.
Ranger.
Masyadong maliit.
Maliit.
Parang ang liit.
Isa.
Diyan.
Oh, ito mas malaki na.
Parang pambata yan.
Oh, ito mas malaki na. Dugay pa pala nini. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
mas
kasya yan.
mas kasya na.
Sako yan pang fishing.
Yan. That's nice.
Hindi tayo bibili.
Is it right?
Oo.
Nice got that. Souvenir yan.
Tapos, babalik kami sa auto na may aircon. Yeah, ang galing dito. Alright, tara, let's go!